Be discussing certain more questions relating to computation of tax liability. So Mr. Mohan is a resident individual, 40 years of age, and total income is 4,90,000 rupees. So we will be computation of tax liability of Mr. Mohan. Computation of tax liability of Mr. Mohan. Here his total income is 4,90,000 rupees. On first rupees 2,50,000, it is nil. On next rupees 2,40,000, it is 5%, that is 12,000 rupees. Then we provide, since his total income does not exceed rupees 5 lakhs, we will be providing less rebate under section 87A. How much rebate will be provided? 100% of tax, or rupees 12,500, whichever is less. So a rebate is provided of 12,000 rupees. So tax payable is what? Nil. Tax payable works out to be nil. Next question is Mrs. Swati, non-resident individual, 65 years of age. Mrs. Swati is there. She is NR, 65 years of age. And total income is how much? 2,75,000. Total income is 2,75,000. So here she won't be getting the benefit of higher threshold limit since she is a non-resident. On first rupees 2,50,000, it is nil. Next rupees 75,000. Tax will be levied at rate of 5%. 3,750. This is the total tax. 3,750. Rebate under section 87A. How much rebate she will be getting? She won't be getting any rebate. It will be nil. As she is what? Non-resident. As she is non-resident. 3,750 it is. This is tax. Add HEC at rate of 4%. On 3,750, 150, it will be 3,900 rupees. This is the total tax, including HEC. This is total tax, including what? HEC. This is the amount of total tax, including HEC. Then we have actually calculated it on 3 lakh and 25,000 rupees. It is, we have calculated on 3 lakh and 25,000. It's a liability of on 325 because it is 275, 250 plus 75 is 325. We have to calculate it on what? 275. Then if it is on 275, actually it was a calculation mistake. So on 275, how much it will be? On 2,50,000, it is nil. 25,000, it is 5%, that is 1250. Then add HEC at rate of 4%, because no rebate will be admissible. Same reasoning. It is what? 1250 plus 50 is the HEC. So your tax liability works out to be here 1,300 rupees. The next is Mr. Bansal, resident individual, 25 years of age, 5,50,000. Total income is 5,50,000. So on first rupees 2,50,000, it will be nil. Then on next rupees 2,50,000, it will be what? 5%, that is 12,500. Balance 50,000, it will be levied at rate of 20%, that is 10,000 rupees. This is 22,500. This is what? 22,500. Rebate under section 87A will not be admissible. Rebate under section 87A is not admissible as total income exceeds rupees 5 lakhs. Rebate won't be admissible. Then we'll be adding HEC at rate of 4%. On this 22,500, 4% HEC will be added. So it works out to be 23,400 rupees. It is 23,400 rupees. Next is say, Mr. Bansal is a resident individual. We have discussed this. Priyanka, resident individual. Total income is 15,10,000 rupees. Next is about Priyanka. Resident individual. She is 21 years of age. Total income is 15,10,000 rupees. Total income is 15,10,000 rupees. So how it will be calculated? First rupees 2,50,000. It is nil. Next 2,50,000, 5%. Next 5 lakhs, it is 20%. And then balance 5,10,000. It is 30%. So on 5,10,000, 30%, it is 1,53,000. So this is total taxes. 2,65,500. 2,65,500. And that HEC will be added at rate of 4%, that is 10620. It works out to 2,76,120 rupees. It is 276,120. Then we will be discussing one more question. This is Resham, 60 years of age and a resident individual. Total income is 12 lakhs. Resham, 60 years, resident individual. Total income is 12 lakhs. So she is what? Resham is senior citizen. Resham is senior citizen. On first rupees 3 lakhs, it is nil. On next rupees 2 lakhs, it is 5%, that is 10,000 rupees. On next rupees 5 lakhs, it is what? 20%, that is 1 lakh rupees. And on balance 2 lakhs, tax is levied at rate of 30%, that is 60,000 rupees. So the tax works out to be what? 1,70,000 rupees. This is the amount of tax. Then we add HEC at rate of 4%. So the effective rate 1,70,000 and it is 6,800. So total tax works out to be 1,76,800. It is 176,800. Then Radhika, resident individual, 80 years of age. Radhika, years. She is resident. Total income of Radhika is how much? 18 lakhs. You can calculate the tax easily. On first rupees 2,50,000, it is nil. Next 2,50,000, it will be 5%, that is 12,500. Next 5 lakh, it will be 20%, that is 1 lakh rupees. And on the balance 8 lakh rupees, tax is levied at rate of 30%, 2,40,000. So it is what? 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 240. Tax works out to be how much? Radhika is 80 years of age, sorry. She is not 18, it is 80 years. So we have calculated she is a super senior citizen. On first 5 lakhs, it will be nil. This way we have to calculate. On first 5 lakhs, it will be nil. Next 5 lakh, it will be what? 20%. And on balance 8 lakh rupees, 30%. So the tax works out to be 3,40,000 rupees. Actually, we did it by 18. It is 80 years. She is very senior citizen. She is very senior citizen. Okay, resident individual. This is tax. We'll be adding HEC at rate of 4%. So 340 into 4%, it is 13,600 rupees. So the tax liability works out to be 353,600. Then Ghanshyam is a resident individual, 40 years of age, 50 lakh rupees. Ghanshyam. Here on 2,50,000 it will be nil. Next 2,50,000 it will be 5%. Next 5 lakh, it will be 20%. We have covered till how much amount? 10 lakh rupees. And on balance, 40 lakh rupees, tax is levied at rate of 30%, 12 lakh. So it works out to be how much? 13 lakh 12,500. Then we add HEC at rate of 4%. $52,500. Here it comes out to be 13 lakh and 65,000. It is 13 lakh and 65,000. Madhuri tax liability will be nil because she is having total income of rupees what? 2 lakh and 50,000 rupees. So this way, this is a simple question where we have to calculate the tax liabilities in various cases.